Good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. Here are the notes for 3-6. We're gonna do a couple of different things here. So we're gonna draw a picture to solve problems. It's a good problem-solving strategy. I'm gonna start there. So let's look at one, and let me embarrass myself by drawing some pictures. So I'm going to start with the first one. Annette is taller than Chuck. So here and here, and then I'm very much into saving energy, so I'm going to say Annette is A and she is taller than Chuck, and I'm going to put Chuck right here. Okay, so Annette is smaller than Chuck. White is shorter than Beth but taller than Annette. So then it's like I would be Dwight, and then he's shorter than Beth. So there you have it. Beth, Dwight, Annette, Chuck. B, C, A, and I'll just list them like that. So this is a good problem-solving strategy. It's one of my favorites. I'm very visual. I like to see stuff. So that is that. Okay. I want you guys to try 3. So I'll give you a minute to try 3, and then I will show you what I came up with in a minute or two. Okay. So go ahead and do your best on 3. Okay, so I'm going to start at the house. He goes 5 blocks north, so I'm just going to draw this, and you could use blocks if you want. I'm just going to do a line. 7 blocks east. East is this way. New York is on the east coast. The Atlantic is on the east coast. 9 blocks south. And then 3 blocks west. And then 4 blocks north. So the first thing I notice here that the north and the south stuff is all going to zero out. It's going up 5, down 9, and back up 4. That's just going to equal out. So I got to see how far east he is gone. Okay, and if he goes 7 east and then 3 west, then you'll be left with 4 east, which would be here. Okay. So that is problem-solving strategy. Draw a picture. So it's a good problem-solving strategy. I enjoy that one. Okay, so that is that. In this lesson, we're also going to cover perspective drawing. So let's go up here, and we'll do some perspective drawing. Okay, so first we're going to do 1 point perspective drawing. Okay, so I'm going to do that up here. So I'm going to use this line because it's straight, and I know it's straight, and then I'm just going to put a dot somewhere on it. Okay, so this represents the horizon, and that's our dot. So then I'm going to start with, I'll just draw a rectangle. Okay, so when I do that, then I'm just going to draw dotted lines to my vanishing point. Okay, and then all you do is draw the back part of the that. Okay, and I might get rid of that right there. Let's get rid of that. So there is 1 point perspective drawing. It's going to 1 point. Okay, so that's how you would you would do that. Let's do some 2-point perspective drawing. So 1 point had 1 point. Guess what 2 points gonna have? And you guys are good. So 2-point perspective drawing. And I'm gonna start with the segment. Okay, and then I draw dotted lines between the top and the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a couple of front faces. And then this is usually the part where kids get lost. I don't think it's that hard, but I've done it a couple times. So you just go across and across. Okay, and what you should see is your two-point rectangular prism coming to shape, coming to fruition. So let's go ahead and erase those dashed lines. So there you have it.
Hey, Rod.
Alright, so this is isometric graph paper. We're going to just show you how this works, and then we'll let you play around a little bit. So I'll kind of draw this in the upper left hand corner, and this is how this guy works. So there's a cube, right? So then we can build other structures around it. Okay, we can put that in the front so you can see it. There would be another one here. We kind of fill that in. Alright, we can build this guy's like 1 unit lower. Oops. Okay, so again, we're just building some shapes. Okay, so nice way to model like a building, something like that, and it just gives us another way to draw with perspective. Okay, in 3D. So you can count like how tall, 2, 3, that's 3 stories high, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it kind of enables you to do, and it also enables you to draw pictures from left, right, and like a top view. Okay, so that's isometric. I just want you guys to create a structure on the graph paper. And I want at least 5 towers. At least 5 towers with 1 or more 6 units tall. Okay, so hopefully you can do that. We'll come back and kind of show some of your work, and with that will be it. Hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Take care.